The new Suzuki GSX 8S. Ayan ang lumabas ngayon na 776cc guys ng Suzuki. Ito ay 2023 model. Loaded nga ba talaga sa specs to? At magkano nga ba ang price dito sa merkado guys? Usapan natin. GSX 8S 776cc, 4-valve, dual overhead cam, liquid cool, and also 2-cylinder. So guys, napakaganda ng motor nito, 776cc lang siya. Siyempre, Suzuki may gawa yan. And also 8.2 horsepower at meron siyang RPM na 8,500, 57.5 P and 77 Nm of torque. RPM niya is 6,800. Traction control na rin to guys, and also dual ABS. Ang kanyang braking system is a Nissin, kaya sapak na sapak ang preno dito kahit mag full stop ka. And also yung kanyang suspension guys, adjustable, naka quick shifter na siya, naka auto blip, naka assist, sleeper clutch na siya, kaya kahit mag engine brake ka, hindi mo ramdam masyado ang vibration niya. Ang panel gauge naman niya is a 5.5 inch na LCD. Yan, napaka-pogi nito at napakaliwanag. Also kanyang front tire is a 120 by 70 by 17. Ang kanyang rear is 180 by 55 by 17. Siyempre, Dunlop pa may gawa niya, naka-stock tire siya. May timbang to na 202 kilograms, tank capacity niya 14 liters, fuel consumption niya umaabot ng 23.8 km per liter. So napakatipid na dito guys. And also yung kanyang price is 585,000. Siyempre ang mga competitors niya, Yamaha MT-07, Kawasaki Z900, Honda CB650, and also KTM 790 na Duke. So ayan guys, dyan pinantapat tong Suzuki GSX 8S na 776cc. So ayun guys, kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to at meron tayong natutunan kahit konti, paki-comment down below naman kung masasabi natin dito sa bagong labas ng Suzuki GSX 8S. Hanggang sa muli, once again, Moto DS Vlog.